Okay, so continue. Similarly, he should not engage in physical intimacy except to keep his body healthy and preserve the human race. Okay, healthy, 25. See chapter 4, Halachah 19 for discussion of this matter. Okay, so we're going to get to it. To preserve the human race, 26. The Rabat mentioned a third reason for the physical intimacy. Granting one's wife her conjugal rights. I mean, that's what we write in Ksuba, right?
Right.
The Rambam does not mention that issue here because these chapters, he focused on those behaviors in which person engages in voluntary as an expression of his personal desires. Okay. He discusses man conjugal obligation later in the Mishnah Torah in the Hilchot Ishut, chapter 14, case of Mishnah. So yeah, it's very interesting chapter. No, not chapter, but subject. Okay, continue. Therefore, he should not engage in physical intimacy, whether he feels whenever he feels desire. Okay, 27. It's also chapter 5, Halachah 4, which discusses the frequency of sexual relations.
Wow.
It's also in this book. But only when he knows that he requires a seminal emission for medical reasons or in order to preserve the human race. 28. In his commentary to the Mishnah Sanhedrin 7.4, Rambam writes, the intent of the physical intimacy is preservation of the species and not only pleasure. The aspect of pleasure was only introduced in order to arouse the created beings toward the ultimate goal. So if it would not be any pleasure, so people or animals would not do it. Basically, that's the thing. So proof of the proof of this is the desire and pleasure. Pleasure cease after ejaculation. For this was the entire goal for which our instincts were aroused.
Right.
So basically, that's it. So after that, I mean, he did what he had to do, and that's it. If this, I mean, that's a genius point, the way I see it, right? If the goal were pleasure, satisfaction would continue as long as a man desires. So, but it's not.
Right.
Okay.
It's absolutely genius, just brilliant.
Yes.